Create your website in Mailchimp. Create a website in Mailchimp to share your business with the world and stay in touch with your audience. We'll help set up your domain, design, tracking, and everything else you need to get started. In this article, you'll learn how to create a website in Mailchimp. Before you start, custom HTML, iframes, and audience features like merge tags aren't compatible with your Mailchimp website. Before you can publish a website, you must agree to our additional terms. If you already created a website in Mailchimp and want to build on your previous work, check out our article Manage Your Website in Mailchimp. Create a website. Click the website icon. Click Website. Enter the name of your website and click Next to choose an audience. If you have only one audience, you'll click Edit My Site and skip the next step. Use the drop-down menu to choose an audience and click Edit My Site. This will take you to your global styles, where you can begin to design the look and feel of your website. Edit styles. When you set up your website, you can apply the same fonts, colors, and logo to every page you create. This helps you streamline your site creation process and maintain a consistent brand identity. To edit styles for your website, follow these steps. To upload a logo, click the plus icon in the logo section. After you upload a logo, or if you've previously uploaded a logo in the Content Studio, your logo will appear in the header of your website. To learn more about maintaining your images and brand assets in Mailchimp, check out the Content Studio. In the Colors section, select the heading, paragraph, link, and button colors. In the Fonts section, click the Headings and Paragraphs drop-downs to choose fonts for your heading and paragraph text. Excellent! You've set the basic look and feel of your website, and now it's time to add some content. Add content. Use the drag and drop editor to add content blocks, decide which sections work best for your page, and set background colors and images to fit your brand. Share your story, testimonials, contact information, products from your online store, and anything else you want your visitors to know about. To add content to your website, follow these steps. Click the Pages tab. In the Page Manager, click the page you want to work with. This will take you to the drag and drop editor for that page. Add, delete, move, and replicate content blocks as needed. We'll show placeholder content to help guide you. Click the Sections tab to edit section styles and settings. From here, you can also remove or restore sections as needed. To learn more, check out View and Edit Section Design in your website. When you're ready, click Save and Exit. This will take you to the website dashboard, where you can preview your web pages, edit your domain name and tracking settings. If you need to edit the content of this web page in the future, click the Edit link on the website dashboard. Edit domain. If you want to change the name of your website or the domain it is associated with, you can update those details through your website dashboard. If you prefer to use a different domain than the options available, you can purchase or connect a domain instead. To edit your website domain and title, follow these steps. On your website dashboard, click on your site's URL. In the Edit Domain pop-up modal, type in the subdomain you'd like to use for your website in the domain address field. If you want to use a custom domain instead, click Purchase a domain to purchase one in Mailchimp, or click Connect it now to use a domain you own through another host. In the site title field, enter there the name you'd like to use for your website. This will appear in search results and browser tabs. Click Save. Nice job! Now you have a branded URL to share after you publish your website. Now you have a branded URL to share after you publish your website. Add site tracking. On your website dashboard, click Update Site Tracking. In the Site Tracking pop-up, toggle the slider next to the tracking options you want to use. To learn more about our tracking options, check out Track with Mailchimp, Track with the Facebook Pixel, and Track with Google Analytics. Check the box to accept the additional terms and click Save to confirm. Edit page settings. Edit your web page's settings to customize how visitors and web browsers interact with it. Choose whether to make it visible in your website's navigation bar. Add the SEO, search engine optimization text you want people to see if they find your website through web search, and customize the page's URL path. To edit your page settings, follow these steps. On your website dashboard, click Edit Site. In the Page Manager, click the page you want to work with. In the editing pane, click the gear icon. In the page settings, confirm the name of the web page, the URL path for that page, the SEO title, and the SEO description. Set as homepage and add to navigation are checked by default for your first web page. The information you provide in the SEO fields will also be used to create what is shared on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Click Save. When you're ready, click Save and exit. Preview and publish your website. After you've edited your domain, global styles, content tracking, and other settings, you'll be ready to share your website with the world. Before you publish, we recommend you preview how it will appear on desktop and mobile. To preview and publish your website, follow these steps. On your website dashboard, mouse over the image of your homepage and click Preview Site to review your content as it will appear live. Click the X in the top right corner of the window to leave the preview. When you're ready, click the Edit Site drop-down button and select Publish. In the pop-up, review our additional terms, then click Accept Terms and Publish to confirm. You've done it. Your website is live at the URL on your dashboard. You can unpublish your website later if you need to. Check out Manage Your Website and Mailchimp for more information on the unpublished process.